Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for another video. Zena's getting rowdy today. You probably can hear her but can't see her. This is Wyatt. I'm Laura. So glad you're here. Hope you stick around. Hit that subscribe. We do subscription box unboxings, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, and so much more. Did you want to say hi? Did you want to say hi? Tell me you're getting rowdy. You want to play, huh? You want to play? You think it's a bark box? That's not what we're doing today. Today, she's mad now because we're not doing a bark box, I guess. Today, we are going to talk about Sips By. I love my Sips By monthly box. This brings me so much joy. As many of you know, because I talk about this all to my channel, I love tea. Tea brings me joy. It's the first drink I'm always reaching for. What are you doing? Is that appropriate? Stop. It is the first drink I think of all the time. I like it hot. I like it cold. I like it chai. I like it green, white, you name it. I love it all. And thank you to all of you who have sent me little tea presents. I love it all. Love it. Today, I am drinking a Japanese green tea by choice. It was in my last box. Came in my last box, my last Sips By box, and it is so good. Tea for me is like a little treat and break, but I enjoy it as much as I possibly can. So maybe it's a way for me to treat myself all throughout the day. Do you guys like my mug? This is my Friends mug. Anyone else a Friends fan out there? Love that show. Okay, but let's get right into it. As I said, Sips By is a tea subscription. It's a multi-brand personalized tea subscription box that comes each and every month. It is a female-founded and led, based out of Texas company. And you get 4 different teas that makes up to, I think it's 16 plus cups every single month. You fill out whether you'd like loose tea or tea bags. I'm pretty sure I have said tea bags, but you can switch it up, whatever you like. And you can choose how much caffeine you want, if you'd like it to have less caffeine, a little caffeine, no caffeine, or if you want to mix, whatever you like. So here's what I see when I open my box. It says September teas, and this will tell me all about the teas in my box. So we're going to get right to it. Check this out. All right, I'm excited. This looks interesting. All right, so first up, I'm going to go how it tells me in my box, is the white pomegranate. And this one says it's low caffeine. This blend combines pomegranate essence and hibiscus with a base of delicate white tea and rose hips. It creates a tart, rosy brew with sweet pomegranate flavor and a crisp finish. This sounds really good. I love flavors, fruity flavors. I like them all. I think you're probably clear on that. I have yet to meet a tea that I really didn't like. All right, so this one, it even tells you to steep it for like 3 to 5 minutes. So each of these teas is a little bit different and gives you instructions, and see how it tells me that it's made for me. And each one will tell you how long to steep it and tells you all about your teas. All right, and I have, as I mentioned, I have 4 of those tea bags. All right, next, what do I have? This looks interesting. This came in a little pouch. This is reusable muslin cloth tea bag, disposable. Oh, that's what I got. Check that out. So these are little tea bags. I got little reusable tea bags. So you can put like loose tea inside there, which maybe that's what I have here. And they're reusable. I love that. I have a whole bunch of them here. Can you see that? There's like a whole bunch here. That is so awesome. So maybe it goes with these other teas that I have. So let's check this out. That is so cool. So then I have this. This is Tilia, the Galaxy of Teas. This is French lemon ginger. So this says 1 sachet per 8 ounce of water. And you steep 4 to 5 minutes. So let's see. All right, so this doesn't go with my little bags because these have their own. This is what they look like. It says caffeine free. So these are caffeine. Oh, they smell fabulous. These are caffeine free, refreshing sweet lemons. You can smell the lemon. And soothing ginger are beautifully paired in this herbal blend that invite you to step away from the everyday stresses of life. All right, and I have 2 more. Next, I have an Earl Grey. I love Earl Grey tea. This one contains caffeine. It says you steep for 4 to 8 minutes. This blend of black tea and bergamot oil with hints of cornflower and lavender is perfect for a cold and rainy day, reminding you to slow down and appreciate the small things. Black tea, lavender, cornflower, natural flavoring oils. All right. And then I have one more. This is apple strudel oolong tea. This sounds fabulous. This is medium caffeine, and this is loose tea. So this is what the little baggies are for. It says loose leaf Thai Quan Yin oolong from the Fujian, I'm probably saying that wrong too, province in China, blended with apples, cinnamon, almonds, and beetroot. This tea is reminiscent of the classic European desert. This one you steep for 3 to 5 minutes. It even tells you the temperatures, so how hot you're supposed to make it. The temperatures range a little bit differently. Like this one is supposed to be at 195 degrees, the Earl Grey 212, the French lemon 205, and the white pomegranate 175. So I guess to get it at the very best taste, it varies a little bit. This one, wonder what this looks like. I feel like I need to smell it. We're gonna take a look. The apple strudel has me very interested. Oh, it does smell just like apple strudel too. Look at that. You see that in there? This is like an after dinner tea, right? Dessert. It smells amazing. Amazing. All right, that's all my teas. This one is, I want to try them all like right now. Okay, so I do have a code for you. If you use the code TLOVE, you'll get $5 off your first box. This box is $16 a month. Yep, TLOVE is the code for $5 off your first subscription, $16 a month. I'll put all this information down below in case you want to give it a try. So loving the Sips by. This has been making my morning. Let me tell you. Please do comment down below. Let me know which flavor enticed you the most between the white pomegranate, the French lemon, Earl Grey, or the apple strudel that feels like it should be dessert. All right, thanks so much for spending time with me today. This was so much fun. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. We'd love you hang out for long haul and hit that subscribe. And until next time, bye everybody.